Good morning, students. Now lesson number 17. टॉपिक क्या है? यहाँ से हमें कहाँ पे थे? एस्टेरॉइड्स. देर इज द लार्ज गैप इन बिटवीन द ऑर्बिट्स ऑफ मार्स एंड जुपिटर. जैसे कि 17.25 में हमें दिखाई दे रहा है कि क्या है वो मार्स एंड जुपिटर के बीच में लार्ज orbit. This gap is occupied by a large number of small objects that revolve around the sun. These are called asteroids. Asteroids can only be seen through a large telescope. किससे हमें देख सकते हैं? एस्टेरॉइड्स किसे हम देख सकते हैं? लार्ज टेलीस्कोप से उसे हम. Okay, next. Comets are also members of our solar system. मीन्स क्या है वो? are also member of the solar system. The revolve around the sun elliptically orbit. However, the period of rotation around the sun is usually very long. A comet appears generally as a bright head with a long tail. The length of the tail grows in size as it approaches the sun. The tail of a comet is also directed away from the sun. जैसे कि 17.26 में दिखाई दे रहा है. वो देखो है ना, जैसे कि वो हमें कैसे दिखाई दे रहा है. देखो, many comets are known to appear periodically. One such comet is a comet which appears after nearly every 76 years. It was last seen in 1986. Can you tell when Halley comet will be visible again? वो क्या है? कब दिखाई दिया था वो? 17 वर्ष के बाद देखा जाए, जैसे कि 1986 में वो दिखाई दिया था. या फिर हम कैसे कहते हैं अभी वो कब दिखेगा, ऐसे टेक्स्ट बुक में लिखा गया है. ओके, जैसे कि about the comets, the people think that the comets are a messenger of distress such as wars, epidemics and floods, but these are all myths and appearance of the comet is a natural phenomena. We have no reason to be afraid of it. Okay, next है meteors and meteorites. At night, when the sky is clear and the moon is not there, you may sometimes see bright streaks of the light in the sky. जैसे कि 17.27 में दिखाई दे रहा है. These are commonly known as the shooting stars. क्या बोलते हैं उसे? Shooting stars. Although they are not stars, they are called meteors, and meteors is usually a small object that occasionally enters the Earth is an atmosphere. At that time, it is a very high speed. The friction due to the atmosphere heats it up. It glows and evaporates quickly. That is why the brick stick lasts for a very short time. Some meteors are large so that they can reach the earth before they evaporate completely. The body that reaches the earth is called a meteorite. Meteorites help scientists in investigating the nature of the material from which the solar system was formed. जैसे कि when the earth crosses the tail of a comet, swarms of the meteors are seen. These are known as meteoroids. Some meteoroids occur at regular intervals each year. You can find the time of their appearance from scientific magazine or from the internet. है ना, जैसे कि इसमें दिया गया है कि आपको कोई भी अपीयरेंस फ्रॉम द साइंटिफिक मैगजीन और फॉर द इंटरनेट. ओके, नेक्स्ट है आर्टिफिशियल सैटेलाइट. You must have heard that there are a number of artificial satellites which are the orbiting the earth. आपने कहीं पे भी सुना है ना कि artificial there are number of artificial satellites which are orbiting the earth. You might wonder the artificial satellites are different from the natural satellites. क्या है वो? नेचुरल सैटेलाइट का आर्टिफिशियल सैटेलाइट वो डिफरेंसेस है. द आर्टिफिशियल सैटेलाइट आर मैन मेड. दे आर लॉन्च्ड फ्रॉम द अर्थ. They revolve around the earth much closer than Earth's natural satellite, the moon. India has built the launched several artificial satellites. Aryabhatta was a first Indian satellite. Some other Indian satellites are INSAT, IRS, कल्पना and etc. जैसे कि 17.29 में some Indian satellites. Artificial satellites have many practical applications. They are used for forecasting weather, transmitting television and radio signals. They are also used from telecommunication and remote settings. ओके, आई होप आपको समझ में आ गया आर्टिफिशियल सैटेलाइट. जैसे कि आई वेंट टू टेल यू दैट बाय रिमोट सेटिंग वी मीन कलेक्टिंग इंफॉर्मेशन फ्रॉम अ डिस्टेंस. Okay, now lesson number 17 explanation is over. Okay, I hope आपको lesson number 17 समझ में आ गया होगा. ओके, अभी आपको lesson number 17 वर्क बुक में कंप्लीट करना है. ओके, थैंक यू.